We are EclipsiLIFE!
But like, I know I'm gonna get so hot so quickly.
Guys, we are at China. We are behind the scenes at the Studio Ghibli something. Studio Ghibli fan pop-up in Toronto, guys. 3 of our members are kind of late, but other than that, we are getting ready and just waiting for the members before we start filming our cover. I haven't vlogged for so long. I need to try not to look at the screen.
We're gonna like trip and die. I already know it.
What was it? Wrong and Strong. Bobby! Hi! Wow, Mom looks so cute! Thank you. It's been a while since I've vlogged with this camera. We're going to check the stage. Everyone's just, oh, I'm out of focus. Everyone's just setting up at the moment. This is really weird. Oh wow! This is the stage, guys. Oh, there's barely any space for us to walk.
So take baby steps.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, you have to really be careful. Wait, put it beside the stand, the fan, the sign. What? Let's go. Let's just let it over here. We are items. It's definitely
Guys, come back to your TikTok here.
We should, probably. Yeah, we will.
I was gonna bring my light sticks and I didn't.
I got some.
Angel's gonna carry just the chorus. I got you back up.
Look at this, Vince. Eclipsilize is blessing us.
Yeah. We're still mixing happy with Eclipsilize. That's all I know. That's all I know. That's all I know, actually.
That's so cute. We should try it.
I'm the cutest, moo, 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 moo. I'm the cutest cow, moo, 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 moo. The cutest cow, the cutest cow.
What is the line? What is the line? Where's the end? Come closer, come closer, come closer.
Okay, so we just we just finished our cover over here. It went swell. Eclipsilize.
Oh wait, we're supposed to vlog today.
That was the only one.
Yeah. You guys, it's fine. Wait, Angel, are we getting our wristbands?
Yes, we need to get our Eclipsilize some wristbands. Look, it's us getting these food. It's so cute.
Yum, yum, yum.
Look at them.
Okay, which one do you want?
Uh-huh.
Oh, the,
Wait, focus. It's not focusing.
look, it's Mingy.
It's so cute. It's so cute. Nice mukbang part 2. Studio Ghibli edition. Wow.
Why do you have to put the camera right behind my head?
Sorry.
What is? The mochi here, the daifuku from Mofu. It's so fresh, it's so soft.
I followed them on the group account for a free muffin. So you get your free muffin. Shall we go get a free muffin? But follow them on your personal.
Yeah. But guys, if you do buy something,
the
you
strawberry's
should
so
get the
sweet.
strawberry daifuku. It is
I
so
want to
amazing.
go get tea. This is so sweet.
Is that daifuku too?
Yeah, no, the strawberry's so sweet.
More daifuku.
It's
You
so
said I wouldn't
good.
see you, but I did.
It's so sweet.
Can I take a picture of you?
Bro, the
It's so
this
sweet. It's
coffee
so
slays.
And then you have to go. Do you want it?
That's so
Am I
good.
allowed?
That's so good. That's so good.
Does anyone want to try the coffee?
I think I might have a stomach ache. For realsies.
Oh,
Should I just finish it? Should I just eat this one
good.
too?
Yeah, go Saya! Go Saya for overdose! Flashing. Oh, we just finished our first performance.
It was we were very loud.
Yeah, we were very loud. The stage was like going like crazy. But we're going to the vendors right now. But
You did so good.
there. Should we just go in? You can just go in, right? Yeah, we have to pass. What are you doing? What are you stopping me for?
Do you want to see where?
Oh, isn't that where the inflatable is? It's so hot in here. What the heck? It's so pretty. Okay. Look at my children dragging me. Oh, that's so cute. But that also look on the side. Oh my god.
That's hot.
That's hot.
I mean, what? Who said that?
Oh. You know how tempted I am to get that?
Just
I'm gonna know. What's your soup sprite?
relationship.
Huh? Soup
But I
sprite.
do really like that. So he's a white one. White hair.
Oh my god, look at this.
Got it? Awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Look at these sick rugs. What the heck?
You'll be in the vlog.
This one I
I got gibbets for my Crocs and they're soju bottles. Sorry.
Okay. We finished our second performance. We're going to the back rooms. Yeah, that was fun. It was kind of hard to film though. Oh, so cute. Whoa, that was good lighting. That area was like really good lighting. I'm out of focus. Hi. Wanna be in the vlog? It's out of focus right now. But oh, where's?
Do you want 2 lamps as well?
One, two, three. Cheers.
No, it's Eclipsilize.
That's a good one.